Hi, good afternoon. My name is Daniel Neira. I'm going to talk about the tax number 5 speaking tax forum. I'm going to do a small presentation about me. My name is Daniel Neira, as I said. I'm 32 years old. I like to listen music in English, following the lyrics. I am airframe and power plant mechanic. This is my current job in Avianca Airlines. I'm studying electronic engineering at Universidad Abierta a Distancia SEAD Medellín, and I live in Rio Negro, Antioquia. Okay, I'm going to talk about my trip experience to Peru. First of all, Machu Picchu is one of the best places to visit. Also, it's one of the seven wonders of the world. It's a place full of mystery. Let's start with my experience. I went there in only 4 days. It's quite easy to get there. Most of people are friendly and humble. You're not going to have problems with transportation system because it's really cheap. Like a small example, I can say in Colombia the bus ticket is about 1,500. In Peru is going to be only 1,000. I'm talking about in Colombian pesos. So with local people because they instead of say yes, they say ya in Spanish. So which it was a bit confusing for me. One of the best things in is the food. It's delicious. I will recommend lomo saltado, ceviche, a fish soup. I mean, before to have the lomo saltado, I think that is a good combination. Finally, if you want to buy clothes, Cusco is the best place to get them. So there is a market that is called San Paulo. Uh, uh, in that place, you can find the clothes that are made of alpaca wool. The quality is good. So I'm going to give you some tips to take into account for travel to Peru. So first one is very important that you make an itinerary travel before to take the trip. It will help you to save time and also money. Secondly, it's not necessary to change the local currency because in Peru you can change dollar for new sol in a good rate. Third, it's important that bring with you a pair of trekking waterproof boots because Machu Picchu most of the times is rainy and wet. I will recommend that also bring with you a raincoat because the weather in the morning, as I said, is cloudy and a bit rainy. So it will be very helpful if you bring a raincoat with you. Finally, I will recommend that you take the train to Machu Picchu from Ollanta instead of from Cusco. It's going to be cheaper and you will get to Machu Picchu faster. I want to clarify that Ollanta is like a small town. It's closer to Machu Picchu. So, well, I hope that you enjoyed this short presentation about my trip experience to Peru. Thank you so much. Bye.